Okay, so we have two new features on TapInsight for the X3 Pro AR glasses. The first is Street View on Google Maps that works with your AI assistant to search for points of interest. The second is new functionality with OpenClaw to transfer text and media files to your glasses, either to read or to play. So let's go ahead and do two new searches and search for Italian restaurants near me in 3D maps. So map loading is much faster than it used to be. Um, it creates a list of requested POIs, um, and so you can tap on anyone that you might be interested in. Um, this one is pretty popular in San Leandro, so you can either zoom out to look at a satellite view of Earth, or you can zoom in. And it automatically pops into Street View. So you can see it has a parking lot, it looks like. I made it really easy. So there it is. That's the restaurant. You can tap on the corners of the Street View display to rotate the camera. You can, of course, also click on the arrows to drive down or bike ride down your street. Looks like parking is pretty ample. You can also go into drone mode where you'll see a flyover of your point of interest, and you can use it for navigation or go to another point of interest. And you can also like search using criteria like price range or ratings. It's very iterative in terms of what you're searching for. So it's a lot of fun. Anyways, the second feature is expanded functionality with OpenClaw. You can basically, like I said, um, save files um, onto your glasses. So, like for example, let's Project Gutenberg has a public library of a open source um, stories, and so you can let's just try. Let's make it very open ended in terms of search, and then download a text file, and then I'll demo some media files. So Top Clock, can you find a highly rated science fiction story on Project Gutenberg and download the text file so I can read it on my glasses? So there's a bit of a criteria in our search method. You can really see the possibilities for this. While it's actually downloading, let's head over to the media browser. So you just go to the dashboard, click on Media Library, and we have some setup folders on your glasses. Music, playlists. These are M3Us. So you can actually download playlists and play the playlists on your glasses, text files, and videos. So for example, in playlists, I just told OpenClaw to download chiptune, audio, radio station playlists, and radio stations located in the Pacific Northwest. And so what happens is that if you tap on the playlist, it automatically opens up the media player.
Show is made possible by Eyes on Fremont.
And you can just tap through. Interesting. Your stations, and if you want to save whatever you find in your bookmarks, you can just click on the plus and save it to your glasses for later reference. Also, it works with videos. This is a playlist of these two videos that were actually transferred from OpenClaw. It supports closed captions as a scrub bar. And so, yeah, let's see if that story, that sci-fi story came through. Okay, it found one called Flatland, sci-fi, top-rated sci-fi story. Let's see. Now, I'm not sure what the size that Gemini can handle, but TapInsight does support multiple text-to-speech models. So if it's too big for Gemini, you can always swap it out easily. Let's see if it handles it. It's probably going to read the table of contents first, but you can scrub through your story. And this is open source, so these are openly shareable files.
The Project Gutenberg ebook of Flatland, A Romance of Many Dimensions by Edwin A. Abbott. This ebook is for the use of anyone, anywhere in the United States. And most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no
Okay, so
whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away, or
the reason why it's skipping is because I'm recording.
Restrictions whatsoever.
So yeah, that's that. Hope you all have fun with it. Should be up on GitHub within the next couple days or so.